Hi guys, so today I'll be sharing with you another recipe of how to cure your cold during winters. It's both for kids and for yourself. So for this you need raisins. These are munakka dak. There are many types of raisins available in market, so you need to really specify and be clear that I need munakka dak. They are of goldenish brown color. Okay, so take 9 pieces of munakka dak. Then you will need a pinch of kali mirchi ka powder, just one pinch of it. And next you will need jeera powder, and that also you will just need one pinch of jeera powder. Now you will take 1 glass of water, put it in a bhagoni or put it in a pan in which you can boil in a container, and then you will add 9 pieces of munakka dak ki chutney. You use a pestle and mortar and just add a bit of water, just 2 to 3 drops of water, and make it into a fine paste. Now add it to the water, that 1 glass of water in the container that you're using. Add the chutney to that water. Now add 1 pinch of black pepper powder and 1 pinch of jeera powder. Now put it on a boil. Once the water starts boiling, make sure till the water becomes half the quantity that you have used. It comes to half, switch off the gas, and now the recipe is ready. Now take it in a bowl and drink it like a soup. You can drink it twice a day, once in the morning, once in the evening, and gradually, by using it regularly for 4 to 5 days, your cold will go away. And hopefully that you don't have to use any syrups. It really helped me and my daughter also. Hope that it helps you too. Bye.